Hello everyone. If one day you want to grow bell peppers on your balcony or terrace but don't know how, watch this video of mine until the end. I will guide you how to take advantage of small spaces, enough light for photosynthesis, and everyday items that you think are discarded to grow bell peppers. Bell peppers have many great health benefits, such as improving eyesight and heart health, aiding digestion and weight loss, improving skin and hair health, boosting the immune system, preventing anemia. First, to have healthy bell pepper seedlings, we must sow seeds. Bell pepper seeds are carefully selected by me from large, ripe, beautiful colored bell peppers, the right age for propagation. I use a nursery pot that fits the number of seedlings I want to grow. I add enough soil, scatter the desired number of seeds, and cover evenly with soil. To facilitate healthy seed germination, I use environmentally friendly stimulants that are harmless to humans, mixed with water and sprinkled evenly over the seedling pot. Then place the seedling pot in a cool place. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. While waiting for the seeds to germinate, I prepared the materials for growing the bell peppers. Today, my choice was to use bamboo and recycled wood to make pots for growing the peppers. This method makes use of discarded materials while still saving money. Once the bell peppers have sprouted well, I plant them. To give them enough space to grow, I plant them about 40 centimeters apart. To make watering my bell peppers easier, I used a 2-liter plastic bottle and an old internet cable to make an automatic watering system for my bell peppers. It really works. After planting the bell peppers, I have determined where to drill holes to water the plants. I will use a sharp screwdriver to drill a hole in the wire. It will slowly provide water to the peppers very steadily. Then I just fill the bottle with water, and the water pipe will lead to each plant very efficiently. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After planting the plants, once they have taken root and recovered, I will start caring for them to give them the energy to grow. My choice is worm castings, which are nutritious but non-toxic to the family and have high antibacterial properties, to fertilize each type of plant. During this period, I often add new soil to the base of the tree, which helps the tree withstand harsh weather conditions and provides enough space for the roots to grow. The new soil also supports the natural metabolism and nutrition. And of course, with each stage, I will add water to the container to keep the humidity stable for the bell peppers to absorb nutrients and develop flowers. At this time, bell peppers are flowering and need the most nutrients, so we must pay attention and take good care of them to have the energy for the peppers to be most effective. If you know how to use green manure, it is really effective, both avoiding waste and saving costs. The greatest benefit: this time I will use spoiled fermented potatoes, put them in a blender and puree. When we grind them, the nutrients and minerals will dissolve into the water, making it easier for plants to absorb, while also avoiding harmful insects. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Great, the chili is green. Now I will use bamboo sticks to support the chili. To avoid the plant from breaking, falling due to weather, as well as when the fruit is produced, the plant will be weak and broken. This time I used pure sugar mixed with water and sprayed it evenly on the chili plant. Sugar provides many additional minerals, helping the chili fruit grow big and beautiful. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Bell peppers are a short-term fruiting plant, so they produce fruit in about 2 months. Now I can use the large, ripe bell peppers to add to my family's daily meals and as gifts. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.